10 facts about Dolphin. Hi, I am a dolphin, and I will tell you 10 facts about me. Fact number 1. I'm a master swimmer, gliding through the ocean with ease. My streamlined body and powerful tail fin, fluke, make me one of the fastest marine mammals in the sea. Fact number 2. I'm known for my intelligence. I can solve problems, recognize myself in a mirror, and even learn new tricks. My big brain helps me understand my world, and you humans too. Fact number 3, I live in a group called a pod, and we're a tight-knit bunch. We work together to find food, protect each other, and even play games. It's like one big, happy family. Fact number 4, I communicate using clicks, whistles, and body movements. My clicks also act as sonar or echolocation, helping me find fish and navigate through murky waters. Fact number 5, my mouth is shaped like I'm always smiling, and while it makes me look friendly, which I am, it's just how my jaw is designed. Fact number 6, unlike fish, I breathe air. I come up to the surface every few minutes to take a breath through my blowhole, which is like my nose on top of my head. Fact number 7, I love to have fun. Whether it's riding waves, leaping out of the water, or tossing seaweed around, I'm all about enjoying life. Fact number 8, I keep the ecosystem balanced by eating a variety of fish and squid. My diet helps prevent overpopulation of certain species, which is good for the ocean. Fact number 9, as a dolphin mom, I'm very nurturing. I care for my calf for several years, teaching them how to find food, avoid danger, and be a great swimmer. Fact number 10, I'm naturally curious about humans. I've been known to approach boats, surf with swimmers, and even help people in distress. We're not so different, you and I. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.